Another long day. Well, at least all I gotta do now is just clean. Then I get to go on break. What was that? Oh, Junior, what are you doing?
Playing with my new Nerf gun.
New Nerf gun? You're not supposed to play with guns. That's dangerous. You almost hit me.
I'm sorry I almost hit you, Chef Pee-Pee. I'll try again.
Oh, you f***ing bastard! What are you doing shooting me? You know what? I'm fed up with this, okay? I'm so done with you!
I'm sorry, Chef Pee-Pee.
Look, you stupid piece of manure. I swear to God, if you shoot me one more time, if you shoot me one more time, I'm gonna make you choke on your own stupid gun, okay? It's gonna get stuck in your esophagus and you're not gonna ever talk again. Do you got me? I swear, try me. Come here, you little bastard!
You're not gonna catch me, Chef Pee-Pee! You're not gonna catch me!
Oh, I swear to God,
Here
when
he comes.
I catch you! Oh, where did he go? Where did... get here!
Oh no! Where do I go? Take that, Chef Pee-Pee! No more bullets! No more bullets!
I got you now! You're cornered! Who did this?
Well, you stepped in the wrong neighborhood, boy.
Oh, I can't stand this house!
Hey,
dude, oh my God!
Who did that?
He missed me.
Okay, I'm safe behind this couch.
Junior, where are you, Junior? Junior, come out to play. Come on, Junior. Here's Cody. Ow!
I got you.
Where's my ear?
I got you, Cody.
Ow!
Okay, Junior, go ahead and come out. I know you're over there.
Never.
Dude.
Gotcha, Joseph! Gotcha, Joseph! Gotcha, Joseph! Teabag! Teabag!
You're disgusting, dude.
Wait, you didn't tell me you get teabagged after you get shot? Joseph, you owe me a teabag.
Ha ha! You guys suck!
Como te llamas, Junior? Oh man, nobody can defeat the king of Nerf game. You guys suck. This is too easy. What?
Die, Toad!
This is for Ken. Whoa! Did I get him?
Gotcha, Cody. Come on, you stupid pickle jar, open! Junior, what did I tell you about playing with those damn Nerf guns? I'm so f***ing done with both of you stupid idiots, okay? I'm gonna go and get my own Nerf gun and I'm gonna teach both of you a lesson, okay?
Take that, Chef Pee-Pee.
Especially you. I'm done with you. I'm gonna choke you with the freaking Nerf gun. I'm gonna get my own Nerf gun and I'll show them. They're gonna wish they never mess with me. Oh yes, I'm so ready now. Oh, they're gonna regret pissing me off. Let's go and find them.
I had to get the big boy out.
You're not gonna win, Toad! You're not gonna win! Everyone, truce!
You should be being okay.
I was about to f your sh.
Wow, yeah, wow, I was wide open.
Yeah.
Anyway, shoot it, Chef Pee-Pee, truce!
Okay.
All right, Junior. I told you to stop playing with those damn Nerf guns. Now I'm gonna teach you a lesson. That wasn't even my f***ing brain, you idiot. That was my eye. Why do you always hit me in my eye?
Ah! Chef Pee Pee ran like a big baby. He ran like a baby. Yeah, he's never coming back.
No, he ain't never coming back.
No. All right, guys. I think we should call a truce, okay? Just put the guns down. No more playing. No more play, okay?
What?
What?